Welcome to the next economics e-learning session. Before we go for next session, we will just have a quick recap of what we have learnt in the last class. We were discussing the methods of calculating the national income. In that we saw the product method. The product method is an addition of monetary value of all the outputs of goods and services produced within the country in one particular financial year. In income method, the national income is calculated by all the income generated in course of producing the national income. All the income generated in course of producing the national income. It includes the addition of wages of a labor, income of capital like profit, interest, royalty and dividend. Mixed income from agriculture, sole proprietorship and other professions. And this can be mathematically expressed as capital Y is equal to W plus R plus I plus pi plus capital R minus capital P, where W is wages, R is rent, I is interest, pi is profits, R is exports, P is imports. An addition of all these will give national income Y. In this, the precautions are classified as two, that is items to be included and items to not included. So we'll see the items to be included. We have to include the value of the rent of self-occupied houses or offices. We should also include the services provided by the owners to the laborers. Next is items not to be included. Transfer payments like pension and insurance should not be added while calculating the national income. Receipts of payments from second-hand goods should also not to be included. Windfall payment like payment from the lottery should also not to be included. And finally, the profit of the corporate should also not to be included, as it is already calculated when we are adding it in the company's profit. The next method is expenditure method. It is the addition of personal expenses, government expenses and expenses on exports and imports. So it can be mathematically represented as C plus I plus G plus X minus M, where C is the private consumption expenditure, I is the private investment expenditure, G is the government expenditure and X minus M is the net exports. Next is precautions of expenditure method. In this expenditure method also, we should not include the transfer payments like old age pension and insurance for them should not be included. In this, we should not include the expenditure that are made on second-hand goods, like repairing this second-hand goods. That should not be added in this expenditure method. We should not also include the expenses made on buying the shares and bonds in this expenditure method. While calculating the national income by expenditure method, I should not include the expenditure of the intermediate goods, which means I should include only the expenditure of the final goods. I should not include the expenses of the goods that are used for making that final goods. So summary of the session is, we have learnt the calculation and precautions of national income by income method and expenditure method. So assignment is, you have to explain any one of the method of calculation of national income, say product method or income method or expenditure method, with an example. And this assignment has to be submitted day after tomorrow before 12 o'clock. Thank you. We will meet in the next economic session.